Medics among 51 killed in Israeli attacks on Lebanon in past 24 hours. Israeli attacks are intensifying in southern Lebanon, with 552 killed since the ceasefire started on April 16. The Lebanese Health Ministry says Israeli attacks in the past 24 hours have killed 51 people, including 2 medical workers. The Israeli enemy continues to violate international laws and humanitarian norms, adding more crimes against paramedics as it directly targeted 2 points of the health authority in Qalawiya and Tibnin, Bint Jbeil district, in 2 raids, the ministry said. A ceasefire, brokered by the United States, is into its 3rd week. The ministry said 2,846 people have been killed across the country since March 2, when Israeli forces began a new military operation. SNC then, the United Nations says at least 103 Lebanese medical workers have been killed and 250 injured in more than 150 Israeli strikes. "We're under threat every second, every day," Ali Safiaddin, the head of the Lebanese Civil Defense in Tyre in southern Lebanon, told Al Jazeera. "We ask ourselves if we are going to survive or if we are going to die. We know we've already given up our lives by working here. We've lost so many people, and it feels like we're already gone as well." Al Jazeera's Ubader Hitto, reporting from Tyre, said that international humanitarian laws are clear. Medical personnel and first responders, like the Lebanese Civil Defense, must be protected in armed conflict. But on this front line, the question isn't whether another strike is coming. It's how many people will be left to answer the calls for help. Dr. Tahia Mohammed, a war surgeon and humanitarian worker who's worked in both Gaza and Lebanon, told Al Jazeera that he saw parallels in Israeli actions in both places. Advertisement we used to see our colleagues in Gaza come through the door all the time. I've had colleagues, nurses, medical students killed by Israeli weapons, and so to see the same policy of targeting healthcare workers in Lebanon, it's consistent, he said. If Israel had their way, they would absolutely occupy the entire southern region of Lebanon, and they would do it tomorrow. They have no care for life. I've seen it with my own eyes, Dr. Mohammed added. Israeli attacks have displaced more than 1.2 million Lebanese people since March 2. Despite a ceasefire that went into effect on April 16, attacks have only increased.